Have you ever watched a concrete mixer built in real time? In just 18 minutes, a full truck rolls off the line. I'm Stella, and today we are in Zoomlion's world-class mixer truck factory. Let's step inside and see how legends are made. This park covers about 240,000 square meters, with 72,000 square meters of workshops and an annual capacity of over 15,000 mixer trucks. It's green, digital, and smart, with 99 robots, 16 intelligent lines, and a 3-kilometer overhead conveyor connecting welding, painting, and assembly. This is where it all begins, the heart of a mixer truck, the drum. Right here is the world's first fully automated drum production line. It stretches 260 meters, and every step has happened right here, from steel cutting to a finished drum. We start with laser cutting. The precision up to 0.1 millimeter, thinner than a strand of hair. Once cut, AGVs automatically deliver the plates to the next station. Instead of the old roll then weld, we now weld then roll. Robots grab, fit, and weld the plates together, creating cleaner, stronger seams. In the past, workers had to crawl inside the 40-degree drum to weld by hand, and now robots do the line marking and blade welding automatically. This means consistent quality, flawless seams, and stable working conditions. These flexible fixtures can switch sizes in under 30 seconds, and one fixture works for every model of drum, boosting both efficiency and flexibility. So here's the highlight, the world's first horizontal automatic drum merging fixture. It automatically adjusts the diameter, aligns the end, rotates, and checks coaxiality, all with 1.8 millimeter accuracy. That's 40% more efficient than manual work. Once merged, robots automatically weld the outer ring seam. After inspection, the qualified drum goes straight onto the overhead logistics line, heading directly to the paint shop, the starting point of our 3-kilometer conveyor system. So that's how the mixer drum takes shape. But a raw drum isn't enough. It needs to be tougher, greener, and ready for the road. It's where the paint shop comes in. Zoomlion invested nearly 100 million RMB to build this line, one of the world's smartest and cleanest. Low energy, zero emissions, and low noise. And packed with next-level tech like electrostatic powder coating, laser 3D scanning, and automatic rectification. The process runs in 3 steps: overhead conveyor, surface pre-treatment, and powder coating. The first step, shot plastic with 12 importing machines. Every surface is rust-free and reinforced durability. Then comes cleaning, dry freezing, pure water rinsing, and a special displacing step that brings paint adhesive. After dyeing with 120-degree hot air, parts are cooled down fast and ready for powder spray. So here's the highlight. 6 spray robots and 3 replicators work together, guided by laser scanning to coat every corner perfectly. It's precise, persistent, and sustainable. Finished parts go straight into an automated vertical warehouse, the first of its kind in the industry, where everything is sorted, stored, and then sent by overhead conveyor right into assembly. Painted, protected, and sorted. Now every part is ready for the grand finale, assembly. Now the secret that makes it all flow, our 3-kilometer long overhead logistics system. Now let's look up. This 3-kilometer overhead conveyor is a highway in the sky. It carries up to 5 tons, seamlessly linking welding, painting, and assembly. See that drum we just followed? It's already hanging above us, gliding straight to the assembly shop. No trailers, no wasted floor space, and no safety risks. Smart routing even switches tracks and merges automatically, sending every part exactly to the designated point. With this system, logistic efficiency jumps 70% and automation climbs 80%. It's what keeps the whole factory flowing smoothly. But smart factory doesn't stop at machines. It extends data inspection. Inside the common center, giant screens show real-time production across every line and even track order progress down to the minute. Here, this is our newest launch, the Z-Link platform. It connects vehicles to the cloud, tracking usage, generating reports, and giving customers better control. At the same time, it helps us better understand the market. Here, through this deep integration of visible intelligence and invisible wisdom, mixer truck production reaches a new level of digitalization and smart manufacturing. From steel plates to a finished drum, and then to a road-ready mixer, every step is powered by smart manufacturing, and that's the power of Zoomlion. What part impressed you most? The drum line, the painting, or the final assembly? Drop it in the comments and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you in the next tour.